Pound dollar daily forecast February 3rd, FXEmpire.com. The pound dollar pair pulled back to the 158 level during the Thursday session, showing that the area is indeed important. The breaking above this level on Wednesday showed significant strength, especially when you take into account how parabolic the move has been. As a reminder, it did offer support as we start to come close to the end of the session. The area should show support all the way down to about the 127 level as I mark it here with the crosshair. As you can see, there's a hammer there from the Monday session. That is the level that we wish to see broken to the downside in order to sell this pair. Yes, we can see that it does look like a pullback is coming, but with 158 being possibly supportive and 157 almost assuredly being supportive, it is difficult to sell this pair presently. Of course, at the same time, you have 159 and 160 being a large round psychological number as resistance as well. Much like the euro, this pair is probably going to be very choppy and in a tight range. It could react very suddenly to the non-farm payroll number later today. But the reality is, unless the non-farm payroll number is an absolute blowout in one direction or the other, the move will probably reverse in the course of the next few hours, if not the next few minutes. The recent history of the non-farm payroll announcement seems to suggest this is rapidly becoming the norm. In fact, employment isn't even what the market cares about right now. We all know that it isn't good. The pound is overbought, and there's no doubt about that. Without a doubt, though, a daily close below this hammer is the safest of all options if you do choose to sell this obviously overbought market. We need to see what happens basically between the bottom of the hammer and 157 to see where this pair goes next. If we continue to climb and smash through 159 or even 160 at this point in time, it's gotten to be so parabolic that you really need to start thinking about selling. In the meantime, though, we think that we're going to see a lot of choppiness and probably very little traction in one direction or the other, barring some kind of shock announcement out of the Bureau of Labor Statistics.